welcome back to the channel and welcome to a grocery haul, but I'm also going to take you along how I'm going to prep my food this week. I don't normally prep, and I'm not gonna be doing like full-blown meal preps, but prepping veggies, prepping rice, prepping lentils, prepping certain things to just make sure that we have it on stock in the fridge, so that we're choosing to eat healthier meals. So I wanted to share with you first everything that I got, and then we'll get into the little mini like meal snack prep. So let's get started. I went to Tom Thumb and I spent, one of y'all asked me to know exactly what I spent last time. So my total was $207.82, but I saved $16. Okay, so that's everything that I got. Or that's the price for everything that I got. I'm gonna run through everything now, starting with proteins. I grabbed this uncured turkey bacon, dark meat, chopped and formed, peppered turkey bacon. I don't know. I find that I had to look through the turkey bacons. I was really looking for turkey sausage, but they didn't have any available. And so I felt like some of the protein, or the turkey sausage, the protein was super low. So I got this one because it has 6 grams of protein per slice. So grab that. I'm probably gonna cook that now so I can use that on breakfast sandwiches throughout the week or in breakfast scrambles or whatever, like eggs. And then I grabbed some raw shrimp. This is peeled and deveined. They just have the tail on. These are just great to keep in the freezer for a quick, easy, like they cook up super easy and simple, and they're just an easy protein to have on hand. I grabbed some turkey. So I grabbed the Cajun style turkey breast and then the honey style turkey breast. And I just grabbed half pounds of both of those. I grabbed a thing of large eggs for breakfast and whatnot. I grabbed these because they were just a better deal than like the single servings, and I thought I could just prep these. I still have some single servings that I'm gonna use first because these obviously are later, but I figured these would be nice. They're 3 servings per container, so I figured I could bake one and it would give me 3 meals for the week, because I love making tuna. So I will share with you my tuna recipe that I use, or that I make for lunches anyways. And then let's get into veggies. I have a ton of chicken still, chicken sausages, pork. I have chicken breasts, chicken thighs, all of the meats, so we don't really need a ton of protein, so that's all I got for this week. I grabbed some Brussels sprouts. I'm trying to branch out from our broccolini. Scott told me the other day, he's like, I'm honestly sick of broccolini, and I'm like, okay, fine, I'll get different vegetables. So I grabbed some Brussels sprouts, which are in season, obviously, some cauliflower. I love having cauliflower because you can use it to roast it as a veggie, or you can puree it for like more of like a starchy sort of veggie. And then it holds up really well in the fridge, so I like to get one of those. These were buy one, get one free, so I grabbed some baby tomatoes. I don't know exactly what I have planned for them, but snacks as well as like pasta dishes and stuff would be good for that. A bunch of bell peppers, 5 of them. I just chop these up and have them with hummus or by themselves for a snack throughout the week. So I will show you how I prep those. I grabbed some asparagus. We haven't had asparagus in a long time. I grabbed a butternut squash. I'm probably gonna chunk this up and roast this, potentially. I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do with it yet. Could make a soup with it, who knows. Grabbed some celery because I'm gonna be juicing today, so I will show you how I make my green juice. Cucumbers for same juice. I grabbed some medjooled dates. These are pitted already, so I'm going to be stuffing them with an almond butter or a peanut butter and some chocolate chips. These are such a great snack to have if you're craving something super sweet, but it's more whole foods. So grabbed those. Definitely not like low calorie, but very good for you. Some bananas, we use these for smoothies. I like to eat them plain, super good. I grabbed a bag of onions just because we go through them so quick with our different meals that we have throughout the week. Some avocados, 2 avocados. I figured we could do like tuna sushi bowls, like poke bowls this week because I have some tuna in the freezer. I grabbed this. This is the ginger and turmeric like mixed giant thing. Scott likes to juice this for shots in the morning, so I'll go ahead and juice that after I do my green juice. I grabbed these apples specifically for juicing, so these are the Cosmic Crisp. I've never tried them before. I had been using green apples in the past and found that they just were a little bit bitter and weren't giving me the sweetness that I wanted, but also they weren't providing a ton of juice. So I thought I would try these. I love Honeycrisp apples, which I got to eat but I'm not juicing these because they're like $4 a pound. Because they're the best, but I'm gonna try the Cosmic Crisp and see how I like those in juice, and then some lemons for juicing as well. Arlo has never had a Sumo orange, so I thought I would try to get Sumo oranges for him. They're just supposed to be super sweet and delicious, and they're in season. Some berries as well. That's all for produce. Let's move into some dairy. These are like my favorite yogurts of all time. They only had peach left. This is the Oikos 000 Greek yogurt. They are 90 calories and 15 grams of protein. So there's such an easy way to get extra protein in your like life. It's such a small container. And yeah, I like having those for dessert with granola on them or as a snack midway through the day. Cannot go without cheese sticks. Grab these cheese sticks. Both myself and Arlo love them. I haven't had Laughing Cow cheese in like a hot minute, but I thought this would be a nice way to like kind of spice up my breakfast sandwiches using a wedge of this like on an English muffin or toast or something. I just thought would be really yum. This is the spicy creamy pepper jack flavor, but also with like pretzel thins and whatnot. I used to eat these all the time as a kid. Just some plain non-fat Greek yogurt. That's all for dairy. I have milk, so I didn't need to get milk for Arlo. 2 things of coffee. This is one of our favorites from the like grocery store that you can get, the Pete's Big Bang. We get it whole bean and grind it ourselves. This I had never seen from Barilla before. I love their protein pasta, but this actually has more protein than the protein pasta, and it's only red lentil flour. So strictly that. There's 13 grams of protein for 180 calories. So I figured try that for like a side dish or pasta or whatever. I love pasta, and it's not like I'm scared to eat regular pasta. I just want more protein. Make sense? Makes sense. I grabbed some of these. I absolutely loved having these last week. I picked them up. They're the butter popcorn rice cakes, and then I decided to grab the white cheddar as well. Just a really easy, quick snack, and I love like salty, chippy, popcorny sort of things. So those have been hitting the spot. I grabbed these. Honestly, the bread section of in Dallas is like wiped out because of the storm that just happened, and everybody grabs bread, I feel like. So I grabbed these. These are the Dave's Killer, which I typically love, but there was no other bread. These are the English muffins. Again, just higher in protein and whole grain. So grab those guys. What else? Oh, I grabbed some peanut butter. When you're looking for peanut butter or shopping for peanut butter, make sure you look and see that it just strictly has peanuts in it. You will see so much time that they put sugar in it and palm oil, which is obviously terrible for you. So I grabbed this, and this is just like a creamy, when it has the oil sitting on it, hold it upside down and store it, and then the oil will like back incorporate in there and you won't have any issues with it. I grabbed some semi-sweet chocolate chunks. These are gonna be for my stuffed dates, so I take this together and stuff it. I'll show you in just a minute. I grabbed these for Arlo to try. I've never tried them before. They're the ZZ's strawberry crisp soft baked bars. Thought you might like them. So grab those for him. I've been loving drinking tea like every day because of my mug. I'm obsessed with it. This is a green tea, but it's the blueberry. It says Slim Life. I didn't get it to like, I know teas aren't gonna make you skinny. I literally just got it for the fact that I've been loving like I have an orange tea. I like fruity, sweeter kind of teas sometimes for the daytime. So I grabbed that, excited to try it. Grabbed some dish soap because we needed more dish soap. Okay, these are for little man. He really just struggles to eat veggies, but canned veggies are easy for him. So that's typically what we do. Got some sweet peas, haven't had those in a while. I've never tried potatoes in a can. It sounds disgusting, but you know, you gotta try things to make your kid eat, right? So we're gonna try these and see what he thinks of those. And then some carrots, those are his favorite. And then last but not least, just a giant thing of LaCroix. This is the peach pear. I like having these because it's just like different than just having water throughout your day. I like having this like with lunch or like to hold me over while I'm cooking dinner. So yeah, that is everything I got. Let's go ahead and start doing some prep, and I'll show you kind of how I prep for the week and whatnot. So let's get started.